Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica, that Jamaican-style cooking on Facebook. So, guys, today what I'm gonna make for dinner, I'm gonna make some chicken foot soup, guys. So, right here I have 2 pack of chicken feet. Let me see what they call it, chicken feet. Yes, so we have 2 pack of chicken feet. But guys, I'm not making a lot of food, so I'm just gonna use 1 pack. Guys, look at the price, 7.88. 4.69 a pound. So this is a pound and a half almost. Just 1.68 ounces. So it's almost 2 pounds. Alright, so I'm gonna make the one that has more in it because this one is 1.39 pounds and 6.52 for it. So I'm gonna use 1 pack and I'm gonna save the next one for another day. So guys, I have some nice, guys, these scallions are so nice and fresh. So these scallions, guys, I'm not gonna let them waste, guys. I'm gonna wash them and cut them up or blend them out and keep them in my freezer for when I'm cooking, because as my motto is over here, we waste nothing. And so here's my thyme, guys. I'm not even sure how much is the scallion, but look at this pack of thyme, 2.49. I'm not even sure the weight, because how much is this? There's no weight. I'm gonna put a piece of white yam in it. So the thing is, I'm gonna peel a part of it. I'm gonna peel it, bag up some of it and put it in my freezer. Yeah, and I'm gonna use some pumpkin in it. So I'm gonna make some pumpkin chicken foot with pumpkin soup. So the pumpkin, $9 for this, guys. $9 for this, and it's 4.76 pound, 189 price a pound, I guess. I'm not sure. Unit price 1.89, but it's $9 for this. Yeah, and I'm gonna use some grace cock soup in it. Alright, guys. So guys, how are you guys doing today? I pray that you all are doing well. As for myself, I'm doing fine. To all my beautiful subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for the comments. And over here, guys, don't forget that over here we only spread positive vibe. So if you come in the comment section, leave positive vibes, guys. If you see something you like, leave positive vibes, guys. I don't like negativity, and so I rather you don't say anything negative. I rather you say positive, right? So over here, we're here to support and encourage each other. And so guys, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up the pumpkin, and after I clean the pumpkin, I'm gonna go to the chicken feet, because the chicken feet, it's meat. So usually I try to do my stuff like this first and then I do the meat last. Alright, so I'm gonna put this over here. So guys, what I'm doing, I'm prepping everything one time, and once I'm finished, I'm gonna just put my pot to boil up and add all the ingredients. First I'm gonna cook the pumpkin and the chicken feet first together, and then I add the rest of stuff as I go along. I think I'm gonna put maybe a cup of flour, make a cup of flour to make dumplings. So I'm not using a lot of carb. I already eat carb today, so we're just gonna make something like a broth or a soup. At first I said I was gonna use some beans, but I'm not sure yet. Let's see where I take this. Alright, guys, let's get my knife and my stuff ready. Alright. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to cut the pumpkin as small as I can so that it's not that hard to cut. This pumpkin, guys, is hard. So the thing I'm doing right now, I'm gonna take out the seed. Yes, cut out the seed. Cut out the seed. And peel it. Yeah. So guys, how are you guys doing? Pray that y'all are doing well, guys. Pray that y'all are doing good. To my subscribers, thank you, subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for supporting the channel. I read the comments and I see the positivity going on. People ask questions. Some people from Barbados. Watching one lady from Yvonne from Barbados. Big up yourself every time. Thank you for the advice. Yeah, I see people in the comment section saying that people from different places cook differently. Wherein I agree with that. And so, you know, I like that kind of comment because at least we're not dictating to other people, someone else how to cook. You're just showing and saying how you cook. And so if you cook a way, you could say you cook that way, but then you can't tell the person they should cook the way you cook. Wherein I would never tell anyone to cook the way I cook because I'm a Jamaican, different culture, and we cook differently. You know, I might not cook everything perfect like how they cook it in Jamaica, but I've been away from Jamaica for a long time, so I will not be cooking everything exactly like how they cook it in Jamaica. Right? Yes, guys. I really appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. Guys, this pumpkin is hard. Maybe I should just cut it up one time and then just peel it. Yeah? Wow, look at this. So guys, guess what? Once I do this, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of the pumpkin, but I'll see. I might leave a little, well, in case I'm not putting no peas in the soup. Yeah, I'm not gonna put any soup bean in it. I'm just cooking the pumpkin and the chicken foot by itself. No beans. Yeah, I'm not gonna use any beans because right now if I go use the beans, guys, it's gonna take forever to cook. The pea is gonna take a while. So I'm just gonna cook pumpkin soup with chicken feet, dumpling. Rasta guys, I almost cut my hand, you know. Pumpkin feet. Yeah, pumpkin feet, chicken feet, pumpkin dumpling and yam. But I'll see. I'm not making a lot. Because the thing is, guys, if I make a lot and I end up with a lot of soup, I have nowhere to store it. My freezer is full. Right now, guys, I have to use my daughter's freezer to freeze some stuff. All these juice I'm making. Hey, guys, please watch the videos. Watch the juicing videos. Watch the breakfast videos. Hydrating, green planting videos. Guys, watch all the videos, guys. And if you watch the videos, please watch it to the end. Watch the video to the end. Guys, I wish I could throw these pumpkin outside to grow. But winter is just around the corner. No, I shouldn't be putting this so close to my stomach to cut it. Whoa. Alright. Okay, guys, so I'll be back as soon as I finish cutting up the pumpkin. Yes, guys, so this is the last piece. Guys, I have to take out a couple of the seed. Put down. See if I plant some next year, with summer, next year spring. Pray that it grow and give me pumpkin. Yes, guys, because I plant some pumpkin. I plant some seed this spring. And I did get a pumpkin tree that grow. And it gave me two small pumpkin like avocado, guys. You know the little small avocado? Yeah. So now the pumpkin is clean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them up Yeah, cut it up. So what, you know, you cube up your pumpkin. Guys, you can do it the way I'm doing it, or you do it the way you like to do it. So how we do it, we cube up the pumpkin, cut them small. Guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna cook. Tomorrow is what, Thursday? So definitely not cooking a lot, because then Friday I have to come up with something to cook for Sabbath. Yeah, so that's just cut them up like this. So guys, you can do it the way I do it, or you could do it the way you want to do it. So just cut them small. I don't think I'm gonna use all the pumpkin, guys. I'm not gonna use all the pumpkin. Yeah, but I'm gonna cut up all of it. So I'm gonna store some in my freezer. So once I finish cutting, I'm gonna take the pumpkin to the sink, and I'm gonna wash. I'm gonna wash it, right? So let's put this over here. I'm gonna make a small pot of soup, guys. I'm not gonna make a big pot of soup. No, because as I said, I'm gonna need the space. Today's Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. Guys, I don't even know what I'm cooking for Friday. For Sabbath. Maybe I'll ask the hubby. Although the hubby is at work. Or maybe we just eat something light. Light. So I cut it because I don't want it to be too big. Yeah. Cut them small. You can cut them big. I see some people cut them big. But I like to cut them small because I want to make sure the pumpkin completely dissolve in the soup. So I'm just cutting up everything. Be careful, guys, because if this knife slip, I'm dip. Yeah, cutting them small. Yes, guys, so if you're still watching the video, please comment, subscribe to the channel, Facebook, follow the page. Comment, guys, leave your nice comment, positive comment. Let's support each other, guys. So for everyone that sent me a message, a comment, I comment back. Not only do I comment back, I also subscribe to your channel. And some of you guys don't have anything on your channel, guys. Guys, do something on your channel. Don't just have your channel there. Do something on it. Even if you have to walk in your community and video the cows eating grass, the chicken running around in the yard, you sweeping your yard, you cleaning your yard, you doing something. You know, one piece of pumpkin run away because it doesn't want to go into the pot. Oh man. So guys, use your channel to do something. When I just started, it was so difficult. Not only that, I couldn't figure out how to edit, and I have to learn how to edit by myself. How did I start off editing? I don't think I was editing I used to use YouTube Create to edit, and I also start to use CapCut to edit. And the phone that I have now, I can use it to edit. So I use both my phone to edit and CapCut to edit. Guys, once you make up your mind to learn, you will learn. So just do something. Whatever you're doing, just video it. People always like to watch something. You know? Social media can be brutal, but you don't have to pay attention to the naysayers. You just video your stuff the way you know how and put it up. Just make sure when you put in, you don't put up your video them 2-3 hours long. Because people not gonna wanna watch it. Maybe 35 minutes to an hour, because I know I put up a video an hour. My son was complaining. Not complaining. He was telling me that the video was too long. Alright guys, so you see all of this pumpkin. So now I'm gonna just take it to the sink and wash it. So put the pumpkin over there, and oh well, I'm gonna do the chicken, this. So just cut off the toe right here. So I'm putting everything in the garbage right here. Yeah. So I just use my meat scissors to cut off the nails off the chicken foot. Guys, I have the bowl right here. Put the chicken foot over there. And so guys, I don't even have any lemon, but I'm gonna use a little bit of vinegar to wash off the chicken feet, get rid of the rawness. Alright, use vinegar, lemon or lime to wash the chicken to get rid of the rawness. Yeah, I just use this, cut off the nails. This chicken foot is frozen. They're nice and fresh, guys. These are very nice and fresh chicken feet. So you know that these wasn't in the fridge. Not the fridge, but it wasn't in the store for a long time, because they're nice and fresh. Guys, this week I cook about 3 times. Yeah. I don't know how much time I cook, but I cook a lot this week. And the good thing about it, I don't cook a lot of food. Sometimes they eat, sometimes they don't eat. They like the fast food. Yeah. Alright. Alright guys, so woo, chicken feet toes running away. Yes guys, so now I'm finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash these chicken feet, as I said, with some vinegar, because I don't have any lime. And there they are, nice and fresh, guys. Nice and fresh. Underneath the bottom, nice and clean. Whoever do these, they did a good job, because there is nothing for me to clean under the bottom of the chicken feet. Everything nice. So guys, as I say, I'm not using a lot, so I'm just using that. Alright guys, I'm gonna go wash everything off camera, and I will be back. Alright guys, so pour some water on the chicken foot. And get my vinegar. Put a little bit of vinegar, not too much guys, because it will make it sour, limey, especially if you leave it in too long. So I'm just gonna rinse off it. I just rinse this off. Yeah. I'm gonna go wash my hand. I'm just gonna let it soak for less than a minute, because I want to make sure that I get off all the rawness off of it. And I'm gonna wash my hand and do my pumpkin. Okay, put that over there, put this here. So So I just put my water to boil, guys. So I'm gonna put the pumpkin and the chicken foot in boiling water. Alright. Just pour the water over the pumpkin and wash it off. Here. Right there. Just turn it on. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. Put your notification on so when I upload a video, you will get it. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna wash this one more time off camera. For those of you who never do this before, I think you get the gist or you get the idea. Alright? Okay, guys, so now that the water is very hot. So now I'm gonna put some pumpkin. I'm gonna put the chicken feet. I'm gonna put some of the pumpkin. Put in half of the pumpkin, oh, more than half of the pumpkin, I guess. That's more than half. And I'm gonna just let this boil. And so later I'll come back and put my yam and my dumpling. My daughter like pumpkin soup. Alright, so that's that. Okay, guys, so the rest of pumpkin that left over, I'm just gonna put it in a bag and keep it for another time. Just tie this up. Just keep it in the freezer. So when you're ready to make your soup, you just grab and go. Alright, guys, I'm gonna clean my scallion before I peel the yam. So guys, these scallions are very nice and fresh. Very, very fresh. Guys, I wish it was summertime almost, or it was spring. I shouldn't say that. But guys, if it was springtime, I would have cut off the root part and use it to plant. You know? Guys, when you buy your scallion, you can cut off the root part and plant it, and it will grow. So you cut off the top part. Yes. So the first thing I do, I just cut off this top part, guys. Guys, I said I was gonna blend this up. But right now, I think I'm just gonna cut it up, wash it and cut it up and bag it up to keep in the freezer. Just put that there. Just cut off the root part. Cut off the top part. Guys, this scallion is so good. Nice and fresh. Look at this. I'm making sure that I don't lose anything from this scallion. So that's why I'm gonna just cut it up one time and put it in the freezer, because this thing is not cheap anymore. There was a time you could get 4 of this for $1. Yeah, in the 80s you could have get 4 of these for $1. Now $1.99. $1.99. The cheapest you will get it for is $1.49. So I said I don't waste anything over here. I just cut off here. Yes, guys. So now I'm gonna go wash these off camera and I'll be back. So I'll come back, clean up. Now I'm just gonna clean up and come back. Let me take off these rubber band, guys. Sometimes I need a rubber band. I can't find one. So I'm gonna rinse these off and put them down to use. Just catch it right here. All right. So guys, even the thyme, this thyme is nice and fresh. So I'm just gonna rinse it off in my strainer and cut it up with the scallion one time, so that when I'm ready to cook, everything is right here. So I'm gonna wash this off camera. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna cut up the scallion. Just put them together and cut them up. You cut them small, guys. Don't cut them too big. Just cut them small. Guys, I have a visitor. Grandchild, come look for me. Come here. Alright guys, grandbaby come visit me. So I have to put him in his high chair because he keep going around me and sometimes I'm not seeing him on the back behind me. So guys, right here, just cut up the scallion very fine. Cut it up very, very fine. So even when you're cooking your soup, you can just take up a handful of this and drop it, put it in your pot. You know? Because guys, as $1.99 for one bunch, and on top of that, they're nice and fresh. So if I put this down in my fridge, this is just gonna, you know, dry up, shrivel up, whatever. So out of doing that, you know, you just cut this up and keep it in your fridge. Alright? You just clean them and wash them, guys. Clean them, clean and wash. Alright, let me cut it from this side because the other side is hard by the time you get done. Yeah? So you just do it like this. So I'm just doing this part of the video because the chicken foot is cooking and the pumpkin. So I'll just do this at the same time. One video, guys, instead of coming back and make another video for this. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video, you will get it. Yes, baby. Guys, they smell so nice and strong. Very strong. So how much of this you think you save? If you don't have to throw out anything, you don't have to cut off and throw out, you save all of this. So you can also use your hand to hold it and cut it up. Whoa guys, it burned my eyes. Burn in the eyes. Wow. Guys, it's burning my eyes. It's like cutting onion. In them off the counter, guys. The counter is clean. Alright, let me grab a bag to put them in. Okay guys, so I have to go to my freezer to get the bag. Guys, even my zip bag I reuse. I wash them when I use them and reuse them. So, alright, just bag that up. Guys, my chest is burning me. I eat some ackee and saltfish. See, like they use one of those vegetable oil. Some of the vegetable oil and burn my chest. So there you go, guys. Alright. Gonna cut up the thyme one time. And just put all the thyme together. Put the thyme together, guys, like this. Like if you're cutting callaloo or something. You just cut them up together. Put them together like this. And you cut them up. Guys, it would be better if I blend this up. Or maybe, I think I'm not gonna blend it up. I'll leave that piece to put in the soup. 2 pieces to put in the soup. I'm just gonna put this in here like this. So when I want it, I just grab out a piece of the thyme. Instead of cutting up the thyme, because then if I'm making soup, I'm gonna end up with all these huge pieces of stick. You know, I'm gonna end up with this part in the soup. Whereas if I just keep it like this, when I'm ready, I just pick out what I want. Okay, guys, so that's it right there. So I'm just gonna take out what I want to go in the soup. I want some of the green part. I'm gonna put that over there. Put a handful. So I don't think I need more than a handful. So put it in here. And in that case, guys, you see, none of this go to waste. All of this gonna be saved. I won't have to throw anything from it. And that's it. So just mix up everything. Just I want the scallion and the thyme to mix together. Zip it up. Squeeze out the air and zip it up right and mix them together. So that's the scallion and the thyme. So guys, I'm just gonna put this flat in the fridge. Not in the fridge, in the freezer. Let out the air out the bag. And this saved me too, guys. So when winter comes, I don't have to keep going outside in the pool to go get stuff, because right here was scallion and thyme and my pumpkin over there. Alright, guys, so I'll be back when it's time to peel the yam. For even the yam, guys, I'm gonna try to save some in the freezer too. Okay, guys, so now I have my carrots in my freezer. So now I'm gonna take out some of this. The bag is frozen. The bag is frozen, guys. I need to keep zipper to not these, so I don't have to keep fighting to open the bag. So I'm gonna put some of this in the soup also. Okay, guys, so now I'm just gonna take out what carrot I want. I don't need a lot, so maybe like 2 handfuls. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna use. So now I'm gonna tie this up back and use a rubber band. It was too hard just now, guys. I have to run it under the water to get it. So now I'm gonna put this in the pot. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna peel the yam. And as I say, guys, I'm gonna peel it and put a part of it in the freezer. So the next time I'm making some soup, I just grab and go. Alright, guys, if this can scratch your skin, so be careful how you use this. For those of you who don't know what yam is, this is yam. This is, I think, white yam. So first thing I'm gonna do, peel it, wash it off at the sink, and cut it up. So I'm gonna cube this up, guys. Cube it up. A slice. Oh, you know what? I might slice up some, cube up some. So if I'm making soup, I put the cube one in the soup and the one that is sliced. Every now and then, if I feel like cooking a piece of yam, I just cook it. And you know. Alright guys, so here's the yam. I'm gonna go wash it and I will be back. Okay guys, I'm gonna put my gloves on because it's slimy. I don't want it to scratch my hand. So pieces that I'm gonna use. So this piece, I'm gonna cut it in two. So if I feel like cooking some yam, I have these 4 pieces. This piece is right here. I'm gonna cube it up to go in the soup. Guys, I want to, maybe, no, I don't have any Idaho potato. If I have Idaho potato, I will put some in here, but I don't have any. So I'm just gonna cube this up. Guys, it's slimy. I'm gonna put it in water so it doesn't get red. So I put it in water. So when it's time to put it in a pot, I'm gonna pour off the water. Yeah, that's it right there. So there you go. So later, guys, if the water is so slimy already, these 4 pieces, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put these 6 pieces in my freezer to cook at another time. Yeah, so that's it right there. So in there, you know, I have some pumpkin, I have some yam. So if I want to do some soup, I have grab and go. All right. Okay guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share, guys. Put your notification bell on, so when I upload my video, you will get it. So I'm gonna go wash up this stuff right here and I will be back. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put some flour. So this scoop is 1 cup. So I'm just gonna use 1 cup of flour. I don't need more than 1 cup because a lot of time young people in my house who eat soup, they like to pour the soup in the cup and that's it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, just a twep of salt, guys. A twep of salt. All right, so now I'm gonna go get me some water. Just a little bit of water. So I'm gonna put after I put this, do the flour, I'm gonna straw off the water of the yam and put the yam in the pot. So for those of you who never made dumpling before, don't put too much water at one time, because if you put too much water, you might spoil the flour. Then you're gonna have to add more flour and end up with more than what you wanted to use in the first place. So that's it right there. Yeah. So this is gonna come out like a handful. Yeah. So I only put water 2 times and that's it. If I had put a 3rd time or put more, then the dough would be get soft, and then I would have to add more water. Alright. Okay guys, so let's go. I'm gonna go get some, throw off the water off the yam and pour it in the pot. Okay guys, so alright, the pumpkin start to turn red, the pot. So you can tell that the chicken foot is almost cooked. So now I'm gonna put the yam in, and I'm gonna leave this and let it boil down to get the pumpkin to completely dissolve. Nice piece of the thing from the yam get in the pot right here. Yeah. So now guys, I'm just gonna leave this and let it boil down. Right? Once it finished boiling, piece of scallion already in the pot. So I'm gonna leave this and let it boil before I put the dumpling in. Alright guys, I will be back guys. Yes guys, so now that the dumpling is in, see the soup start to take on the color of the pumpkin, even though the pumpkin is not fully boiled out. The yam is not fully boiled out. So that's the only carb inside here really, is the yam. And the pumpkin, where the pumpkin dissolve almost. So now I'm just gonna leave this to boil. And then when I come back, it's fresh. I'm gonna put a little bit of Maggi all-purpose seasoning in the pot to keep it until I ready to season it up, because it's kind of fresh. I want the yam and dumpling to take on a little bit of salt. Chicken foot is completely cooked guys, so yeah. So now guys, I'm just gonna cover this and let it boil. The next time you see me, I will be seasoning up the broth. Alright. And maybe I should just season it up one time and done. Yeah. Just gonna season it up one time and done guys. And then cover it and let it stay there and cook down. So this is pumpkin. I'm not sure if it's pumpkin flavor. So, because I put the Maggi all-purpose seasoning in here, I'm gonna taste it. Okay, need more. That's 2 pack. Alright. Let me put a little more, taste it. Because guys, I don't want to salt it. Alright, taste it one more time. Okay, I'm gonna put some the thing here. Oh, garlic powder, onion powder. Garlic powder, onion powder, guys. So I'm gonna put a little onion powder and put some basil, a little basil, homemade basil powder that I make. So now I'm gonna put a little garlic powder. Yeah. Alright. And now I'm gonna put the scallion and the thyme. Drop the scallion and the thyme. So guys, this broth is not gonna be very, very thick. Not thick, because there is not much carb in it. So put the onion, the scallion in. It's not gonna be very thick, guys, because it doesn't have a lot of carb. The last time I make it, I use banana flour plantain flour to thicken it. But this time I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna let it stay here and boil down. I'm gonna put a little bit more grease, Maggi all-purpose, a little bit more Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Some people when they cook their soup, they put black pepper. I'm not a fan of black pepper, and I could put some jerk seasoning, but I want the baby to drink some. So I'm just gonna cover this and let it stay here and cook down. All the water most of the water boil out, and so guys, see how nice it come out, nice and thick. Yes guys, so there you go. So now we're gonna turn this off, take out this. See all the thyme boil off, the leaves and the thyme boil off. So that's it. Take out the thyme. I put 2 pieces of thyme, 1 piece left. Yeah, let's take out the thyme. Right there. Right there. Alright. Let me taste it and tell you how it tastes. It's nice, guys. I think it need a little, let me see. Guys, I'm trying not to put too much salt. As salt and I is not a friend. I think it's okay. I'm not putting anything else in there. So let's plate this, guys. Put 2 dumplings, 3 dumplings and 1 chicken foot. 2 chicken foot. I'll take out 1. Put some carrots. Alright. So this is a soup right here, guys. Guys, I have to put this down. It's hot. Yes guys, so this is what the soup look like, nice and thick and creamy. So guys, I'm not gonna eat now because I eat lunch late and I am full. So guys, if you watch the video to this time, comment, subscribe and share. Take care of yourself until next time. And remember that Jesus loves you and I do too. So this is the carrots that I keep in my freezer. Yeah, my chicken foot, my spinach dumpling, and my white yam. So that's it guys. Let me taste it and tell you guys. Guys, it tastes very good. It's very hot. No guys, I don't use butter. I use butter occasionally but not often. So for those of you who said I might say I don't use butter in my soup, it's okay because the chicken foot is grease. It's a grease. All them powder seasoning have grease in them, so we don't need all this excess, right? So guys, bon appetit. May you know? Yeah. Alright. So I'm just gonna put this down for later. As I said, I had lunch late.